There is a motion to approve the said provision as proposed by the committee. It has been duly seconded. The motion is carried.
Thank you, Madam Chair, for the approval of the measure.
Madam Chair, since the provisions for appropriations have been approved unanimously by this body, I now move to approve substitute bill of institution of about 8 bills, an act establishing the Presidential Merit Scholarship Program for top performing students and appropriating funds, therefore subject to amendments and style by the chair of the committee of the appropriations, the chair of higher education, and CHED and DepEd, and also DBM. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Any second? Before I rule on the motion, I would just like to reiterate the comments and recommendations of the Committee on Appropriations. First, with regard to the amount from the current 20,000 as stipulated in the bill, the proposal is to increase the grant under the Presidential Merit Scholarship Program from the current 20,000 per year as stipulated in the bill to 90,000 per year for private institutions and 45,000 per year for private institutions. So this would peg the grant for the Presidential Merit Scholarship Program above the current grant of the CHED Merit Scholarship Program. So this will now be the highest scholarship grant that can be provided to any student, and I believe that is very fitting because this is the Presidential Merit Scholarship Program which we are giving to the most deserving students in every cohort. So that is the recommendation of the committee. As to the other recommendations raised by Representative Rufus Rodriguez pertaining to the other provisions of the bill that is outside of the jurisdiction of the Committee on Appropriations, I will defer to the Honorable Chairperson of the Committee on Higher and Technical Education, the Honorable Jude Asidre, to adopt as he sees fit before the bill goes to plenary. And with that, there is a motion to approve the measure subject to the amendments. It has been duly seconded. The motion is carried. Congratulations to the sponsors and the authors of the Presidential Merit Scholarship Act. Thank
Mr.
you.
Chairman.